The downstream O2 sensor is located right here, or sometimes called sensor 2. And there's also one on the passenger side. And keep note that it's after the catalytic converter. And the procedure is going to be the same on either one. So we're going to replace this side. Disconnect the connector up here. There should be a little lock tab that you just slide it out. This little pin just slides out. Then you can disconnect the connector, just like that. Just pull up on the connector. And you can use a 7/8 wrench or a O2 sensor socket. Slides over there. And just loosen it up. Once it's loose, sometimes you can do it by hand. Now install the new O2 sensor. Just get it started by hand. And you can torque this down to 31 foot-pounds. Now plug the connector in. Lock it down, and then put that little lock tab in. Just slide it through on the connector. If you're replacing the upstream O2 sensors, that's in front of the catalytic converters. There's two, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, and the procedure is going to be the same.